Hello dear Pisces, welcome to my channel and this is your third week reading for the month of August, exclusive love plus career. So if you're a sun moon rising Pisces, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin with your career first. You have got the 2 of moons and the 10 of suns. I do see that this week your focus will be less on your work and more on your love life. Like you really want to get settled in your love life. Something should happen, right? But maybe it's not happening. Career wise, also, this is going to be a challenging week. You can see there are a lot of people around you who don't want to see you happy, right? Especially in your workplace. There are people who want to pull you down. They because they envy you, right? Or because they want your position. There are people who are plotting against you. Now, you may or may not know about these people, but you have to be on high alert. There is some sort of cruelty that will come your way, like something which was not very fair, or somebody will be a false witness by saying that, yes, I saw them stealing, but you will be like, I did not steal. I'm just giving you a hypothetical example. It's not just stealing, it can be anything else also, right? So you have to be strong. This week is really going to test your patience and your strength. Okay, if you be strong and confident in yourself that no, I have not done it, okay, no matter how many people are against you, 10, 20, 50, whether they are your own colleagues or bosses, you still have to protect yourself. If you're able to stay strong, you will be easily getting over this people and this week very smoothly. Okay, but if you give up, right, if you say, I cannot fight anymore, no, there are 10 versus 1, I cannot do it all alone, then you're going to lose the fight. So I suggest stay strong this week, okay? Stand your ground, fight for yourself, and then automatically these people will be quiet. This matter will be resolved on its own, okay? You just have to stay strong. No matter who's saying what, please trust yourself, do the good, be the good one, and just protect yourself. Be strong. There will be a lot of people who will be against you, your own colleagues, bosses, like I said, maybe people from different departments. You don't even know, but there are many people who are playing politics in your business, your own business partner, competitors, clients, customers, right? So be very, very careful. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the One of Stars, the Lovers, and the Fortune's Wheel. Some of you could be dealing with an Aries sun moon rising, or you could have an Aries sun moon rising in your own birth chart. Now the funny part is that there is a third party situation. There's a third party situation, but I do see a fortune's wheel coming, which means a new chapter is going to start for you. Possibly there are two scenarios that I'm thinking right now, okay, that are coming to me. One is that this person will decide to end the third party, okay, and then you both can start a new chapter, like a fresh start. Second scenario that's coming is you are going to end this person's chapter only, like completely. You're going to kick them out of your life for bringing the third party in, for causing you the pain, okay? And you're going to start a new relationship with a new person, okay? So I leave that to you, which category you fall into, because some of you I know don't want to take this person back, okay? Because they put you in a third party, okay? Because they chose someone else over you, they broke their trust and the relationship between the two of you. But some of you will take them back, right? Some of you will give them another chance. So I'll leave that to you, which category you fall in. So take what resonates with you, but definitely a new, better chapter is waiting for you. Fortune's wheel means that you have ended a karmic chapter, okay, a difficult chapter of your life, and a new chapter in love is going to begin. A chapter which is going to make you feel very happy, which is not which is nothing as compared to the past, okay? The kind of people that you've dealt with, the situationships and people not choosing you, people rejecting you, this person will make your life much happier, much better, and you will feel loved. The genuine love that you have given to everyone in your past, you will be able to receive that. So I do see a bright happy chapter opening up for you very, very soon. So all in all, I do see that this is going to be a good week for you guys when it comes to love, but a little challenging when it comes to work. So please stay strong, okay? And yes, if you're watching this video, which I'm sure you will be before this week starts, do like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can get your reading in advance. Second, I take personal readings as well. If you have very specific questions regarding your life which were not covered in this general reading, you can always book your personal reading and ask your own questions Second, very important news. I have a 10% discount going on right now. It's a Rakhi offer for the month of August. Only available on two services which are audio video call sessions. One is unlimited questions. If you have a lot of questions, you need some time, and you want to get on a call with me, audio or video, you can book this session. I have a 10% discount going on. Second, I have a 10% discount going on spiritual counseling sessions also. If you want to come to me, you want to share your problems, you don't want to be judged or laughed at, I am your person. You can just come, say whatever, and I will also give you a spiritual guidance and remedy with the help of your angels. And yes, other than that, if you want to make any booking, email me or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram also, because I keep on posting the prices on a daily basis over there. I have very budgeted prices also. The cheapest prices are which you can take in typed format also on email or Instagram, or you can take it in audio recording on Instagram as well, right? So please check out the description box and all the details. I have various other services and packages and no contact readings, love readings available. So take what fits you best and have a very good week. Stay strong. Take care of yourself. I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.